Did you close the gate? Did you close the gate? Yes, I closed it. Yes, I closed it. Do you like rainy days? Do you like rainy days? Yes, I love them. Yes, I love them. Are you learning something new? Are you learning something new? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Did you check the price? Did you check the price? Yes, it's too high. Yes, it's too high. Do you know her well? Do you know her well? Yes, very well. Yes, very well. Are you waiting for me? Are you waiting for me? Yes, I was waiting. Yes, I was waiting. Are you at home now? Are you at home now? Yes, I am at home. Yes, I am at home. Do you like this color? Do you like this color? Yes, it looks nice. Yes, it looks nice. Did you call him today? Did you call him today? No, not yet. No, not yet. Are you going to sleep early? Are you going to sleep early? Yes, I will try. Yes, I will try. Do you watch TV at night? Do you watch TV at night? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Do you need more time? Do you need more time? Yes, please. Yes, please. Did you bring the documents? Did you bring the documents? Yes, I brought them. Yes, I brought them. Are you meeting him today? Are you meeting him today? Yes, in the afternoon. Yes, in the afternoon. Do you visit this place often? Do you visit this place often? Yes, almost every week. Yes, almost every week. Did you save the file? Did you save the file? Yes, I saved it. Yes, I saved it. Are you okay with this plan? Are you okay with this plan? Yes, I am okay. Yes, I am okay. Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it. Are you using this chair? Are you using this chair? No, you can take it. No, you can take it. Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Did you find your wallet? Did you find your wallet? Yes, I found it. Yes, I found it. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. Are you feeling nervous? Are you feeling nervous? Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit.